G'day guys, Adam here. Topic for today is what is a relay? Well, modern day vehicles, four-wheel drives, doesn't matter what they actually are. A lot of them are all running through computer systems and that now. So we use relays in which to take the load off a circuit in the car. So what I mean by that is if we take the Narva Raptor, you're running high beam circuit, which is actually then meant to trigger your spotlights, but you can't run the power from the high beam circuit because it's just simply overloaded. So what we do is we actually use a relay to actually run the path for the power. I'm going to take you over here and I'm going to show you what I mean by that. A relay, this is a simple setup for relay on a spotlight circuit basically, but the relay is actually triggered from the high beam circuit and then runs to the switch on the dash, okay? But what the relay actually does instead is it actually just operates a magnet inside. The magnet inside the relay is activated and it actually closes the points in the relay, which then creates the contact from the battery to run the power to the spotlights. The beauty about a relay is that it takes very little current draw to actually activate the magnet and close those points. So therefore there's no extra load on the car's circuit, right? So ultimately, again, just to reiterate, basically what it does is we've got the high beam trigger, which is off your high beam stalk. It runs to the switch on the dash. It'll magnetize the electric magnet in here, which will then close the points and power will run through the battery, fused of course, through the relay into the Narva spotlights. Relays can come in a lot of different amperages. We run a 40 amp relay for the Narva 215s, but ultimately that's what a relay does. It's designed to take the load off the vehicle and run it through a separate circuit. You don't need to memorize what these points are either, because what the good thing about it is, and I'm going to show you in a minute, is that on the top of the relays, this circuit and this diagram that I've got written up here is pretty much printed on the top. If there's anything else you guys want to see or need or want some information on, mention it in the comments below and we'll help you with that.